Hey GED students, it's GED question of the daytime, and I'm trying to sound really cheerful so you guys don't get freaked out by the word problem. So let's give this a try. It says Ahmad is training for a triathlon in May. Okay, useful. I don't know if it's math yet. He decides that in order to train properly, he's going to swim 2 miles each day, run 5 miles every other day, and bike 15 miles every third day. Now, a lot of students will just stop here and just start trying to stick numbers together. Okay, 2 miles, 5 miles, 15 miles. Start doing all kinds of things with that. But careful, read the question. If he sticks to his schedule, how often will Ahmad end up doing all three activities on the same day? So how often will Ahmad end up doing all three activities on the same day? That's a weird question. You know, it has nothing to do with how far he's going, but with how often he's going. So let's see. Let's just imagine that we were looking at Ahmad's days. So, you know, some people will start listing out Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday here, but I decided to just kind of list out the days by number because, you know, there's more than one Monday in a week, and I'm just going to kind of look at what happens. So first thing I see, he will swim 2 miles each day. That means every single day he's going to swim. He's going to swim every day of his life, and that's a constant. Apparently, Ahmad's not taking any break off of that. But, you know, the running he's not planning to do every day. He's only going to run every other day. So, you know, if he runs, he won't run this day, he might run that day. He won't run this day, he might run that day, and so on and so forth. He's only going to run every 2 days if he's running every other day. And so notice that I went on my 2 times tables. Like he's running on the 2nd day, the 4th day, the 6th day, and so on. Now, he's going to bike 15 miles every 3rd day. So I'm going to write bike under like my 3 times tables. So he's going to bike here on the 3rd day, and then 4, 5, 6, he'll bike here on the 6th day, then 7, 8, 9, he'll bike here on the 9th day, and so on and so forth. And you're going to notice, if you keep up this pattern, that there's a time when he does all 3. He swims, runs, and bikes on day 6. He swims, runs, and bikes on day 12. And if I were to keep this list, if I were to have kept this list going, we would see that same thing happen. On day 18, since he swims every day, he runs every other day, and he bikes every 3rd day. 6, 12, 18, what's happening here? He is doing all 3 every 6th day. So how often is he going to end up doing all 3 in the same day? About every 6 days. And this is interesting. I figured it all out using some problem solving skills up here, charting and graphing and playing, but you could have, if you realize this was an LCM problem. I was looking at the LCM of 1 for every day, 2 for every other day, and 3 for every 3rd day. And of course, 1, 2, and 3 have a common multiple of 6. But even if you never recognize this as a common multiple problem, you still have the capability to do some problem solving just like I did and try to figure this out. So, tricky problem. Good news is if this showed up on the GED, it would probably be multiple choice. So you'd be able to look over their answers and check them for yourself. Do they make sense? All right. If you have any questions about this or any other GED topic, be sure to drop it in the comments and I'll do my best to answer it.